Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today we want to talk about algebraic identity. You need to understand algebraic identity so that you can carry out any operation that involves algebra very fast and sharp. Okay, let's consider the first one here. The first one we're going to be considering is known as square of two sum. Okay, this is the same thing as saying a plus b, which in turn is the same as a into what? A plus b, then plus b into a plus b. Are we together? So this times this will give us a square plus ab plus b square. And this should be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is our result. Hence, the square of two sum is going to be this. So let's take example. If I have 2x plus 3y all square, this expression here looks the same as what we start with. Hence, our answer should also look the same as what we end with, because this is also what? Square of two sum. So this is going to be a, which is the same thing as 2x. So I have 2x all square plus 2 into 2x, then 3y, then plus 3y all square. Hence, this will give us 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. So it's as simple as that. So that is the first identity. Sum, square of two, sum. That's the identity. Square of two, sum. So let's look at the next one. If I have an expression like a plus b all square minus 2ab, what will this give us? Remember, this one is what? Square of two sum, isn't it? So this will become a square plus 2ab plus b square, just like we show in previous identity. So this will become minus 2ab. Hence, this and this can cancel. So I have that a plus b all square minus 2ab equal a square plus b square. Hence, this expression here is called sum of two square. So sum of two square will give us this result. Do we understand this? Okay, if that should be the case, let's look at the next identity. Okay, let's take example on this as well. Let's take, for instance, that I have 3x plus, okay, let me take this example like this. Let's say I have 9x squared plus 4y squared. If I have this, do you believe that this is also the same thing as what? As sum of two square? Because I can rewrite 9 as 3 square, then x square plus 2 square and y square. So this can be the same thing as saying 3x all square plus 2y all square. So this is exactly like this. Hence, the result to this is going to be this. So I have this to be 3x plus 2y all square minus 2. This times this will give me 6xy. So this will become 12xy. So do you get this now? So this result is the same thing as this. Do we get that now? So let's look at the third identity. So our third identity is going to be what? Square of two difference. Square of two difference. So if I have expression like a minus b all square, this is going to be a minus b and a minus b. So this should be a into a minus b into a minus b. Are we together? So a times a will become a square minus AB plus B square. Hence, the square of two difference will become A square minus 2AB plus B square. Do we get this now? So this is our third identity. Okay, let's take a look at example. If I have 2x plus 3y, just like I have before. Okay, let this one be minus, rather, all square. Are we together? So our result is just going to be 2x all square minus 2 into 2x and now 3y then plus b square. Are we together? So this will become 4x square minus 12xy plus b square. So this is easy to attempt very fast. So that is the third identity. So let's look at the fourth identity. So the fourth identity is known as the sum of 2 cube. Sum of 2 cube. If I have a cube plus, okay, let me take it like this. I want to prove the sum of 2 cube. If I have expression like a plus b in brackets a square minus ab plus b square. So what will this result to? Let's see. This will become a times a square, that is a cube. A times this will become minus a square b, then a times this will become plus ab square. Are we together? So let's go for b now. B times this will become plus ab, okay, a square b, then this times this will become minus ab square, and this times this will become plus b cube. So are we together? Okay, that will become this and this would cancel, and this and this would cancel. So I have a cube plus b cube. Hence, this expression a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And this is called the sum of 2 cube, which is going to be our fourth identity. Okay, let's go for the last identity, which is the fifth one. Okay, the fifth identity, if I have a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. If I have this as an expression given to me, this is going to be a times a square, that will be a cube, a times ab plus a square b. Then this times this will become plus ab square. So I'm done with a. Now b. This times this will become minus a square b, and this times this will become minus ab square, and this times this will be minus b cube. So if you observe, this and this would cancel, and this would cancel. Hence, I will have a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square to equal a cube minus b cube. So this is called difference of 2 cube. Hence, the difference of 2 cube, a cube minus b cube, equal a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this is called the difference of 2 cube, and this happens to be our fifth identity. Okay, in summary, let's summarize the whole of the identity. In summary, we have the first one, a plus b all square, which we call square of 2 sum to be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then we have the next one, which is sum of 2 square to be a plus b all square minus 2ab. Then we have the third one, which is square of two difference. We are going to have it to be a square minus 2ab plus b square. And we have the fourth one to be, okay, I failed to talk about difference of two square. Okay, difference of two square is just the same thing as saying a square minus b square, and this will give us a plus b and a minus b. So if I expand this bracket, I'll end up having this. Okay, so the next one, the next identity is going to be sum of 2 cubed, and this is going to become a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. And I have difference of 2 cubed, a cubed minus b cubed is going to be a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Do we get all this identity right? Master it and memorize them, work with them, play with them, solve more questions with them, write and rewrite this identity until it becomes part of you. If you like this video, kindly share within your friend, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Then meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.